part of the world, especially this country. I feel so welcomed when I'm here. I love this venue. I feel everyone that involved in this concert, in this venue, really cares about music, and it's something as a musician that coming to play a venue like this, just like, I love that these still exist and people care about this, because it just makes for the best show, and I hope you guys have had a good time at this venue. The gig. Hopefully I'll be back soon. I'm gonna play this song, but thank you so much for having me. Please go home safe. Hope you enjoy. If you know the words, sing it. But this is a dancing song, so we're gonna finish the night dancing, okay?
Nakakapagod! Ano ba yan, Mas? Tapos na ba yan? Ha? Tapos na? Di ba sabi sa'yo yung 10:30? Ha? Parang tinawad ka na rin, ano? Ha? Tinawad ka na? Nakakapagod ka, Ed Sheeran. Marami na naglalabasan, no? Last na yun, ano? Kumanta. Sa wakas nakalabas din. Naku, ito siksika na sa... Ang bilis, mahal. Ang dami na naglalabasan. Nagmamadali nang magsiuwi. Ayan. Kasi siksikan. Ito ang amphitheater. Excellent. Bye-bye.
Reservation for tomorrow. Non-smoking. But I want to use the...
Nakakapagod din, ah.
Over at yan, the one that has spotlight.
Pero sulit.